Hey there, Matt here, and I want to introduce you to our King Kong office, King Kong mobile room, whatever you want to call it. Basically, 6 meters long or 5.8 meters long, then plus a drawbar, complete open room, sinks, an area for a fridge, air conditioning, everything. So you can sleep in it, you can work in it, you can put your tools in it, you can put your mother-in-law in it, you can do whatever you want with it. So basically, as normal, I'll take you through and show you everything on the outside. First, it's a little bit raised off the ground. We didn't want to have a wheel art, so we've raised it higher off the ground. It does have a freshwater tank and a grey water tank. So basically, if you come over here a little bit closer, in under here, you sort of duck down and see, in under here, you've got a freshwater tank and you've got a grey water tank. So what that means is you've actually got water that's able to go inside. You've got water that's actually able to go inside. So let's say, for example, you want to just be able to wash your hands or just use a tap, etc., but you don't want to have to go through the problems of trying to, either if you're going to have this on site all the time, hook up plumbing, or you're just mobile, you might be using it at a work site or something like that, and you don't want to have to go through the problem of hooking up actual water, etc. You can just plug a hose in, it works, you can let the grey water come out, okay? Come around the front, it's got a decent capacity. It's got 3490 kg total GVM. The trailer itself only weighs about 1400 kilos being empty, okay? Super heavy duty drawbar, electric brakes, your normal brake coupling, and then obviously your rigid stand makes it a lot easier to do. So we'll just walk around this way and just follow me. I'll show you sort of inside it. Obviously sliding windows, and I'll show you that inside in a sec. At the back, so it's like super easy to get into. You've got a sliding door. Your number plate sits over on this side, okay? And we've got some fold out steps. So basically, these steps fold straight out, so super easy to get in. This one in particular has got this type of lock, so you just slide the lock, okay? Open it up. If you come close, I'll show you inside as well. Now, remember, I'm 6'4" and weigh, depending on the day, 110 odd kilos, okay? Jumping on the stairs, coming in, come inside, have a closer look. So, as far as the trailer goes, you can see the head height. I'm 6'4", so heaps of room. Like I'm not even touching the light. The aircon, even standing up straight, might scrape your head. Not even really. My hand's going straight through, so plenty of space even at the lowest point. I can walk straight underneath that. Like stand up straight, might touch me head a tiny bit. Okay. You got lighting. This model here, we made some extra power points. Normally you'd have one in the corner, one in the middle, one at the end. You wouldn't have the extra two, so this one's got a couple extra. If you're looking for a breeze type day, you can open up the windows, so you've got full airflow through. There's obviously a window on either side. That lets the breeze through no matter which way you're parked. Coming down here, I'm not sure if we've got this turned on. We haven't got that turned on, right? In under here, we've got hot water system. We've actually got a pump to pump the water out of the tanks, okay? So it's all rigged up, ready to go. Drawer system, so if you're using this, say you want to use this as a spare bedroom, okay? Width-wise, a double bed, you'll just squeeze it in and just squeeze past. It's designed to be cost effective. If you're using it as an office, you can put your desk here, walk down. If you can put your desk facing out the window, walk down, you can fit 2 or 3 people in here without too much of a problem, okay? The fridge is an option, okay? We've set it in there so you can see it. The fridge is an option. This shelf here, designed for a microwave or something like that. You put your microwave here, plug it straight in. Little storage cabinet here, maybe you have some cleaning products or something like that inside it, okay? And then obviously all your drawers, I think I mentioned those before. So your drawers are there, they're designed. So basically, you know, just whatever you need to do if you're cooking and stuff in here. Like if you are cooking, if you decide to use something like this and just want to do some basic cooking for yourself, you're gonna have your microwave and put one of those little portable gas cooktops in here as well, like those little camping ones. Other than that, a massive space. So just picture this, just if you go back a bit so you can see in full, you get your strip lighting down the middle, okay? And picture this, if let's say 2 people want to work in here, a normal desk is about 1400, maybe 1600 wide. This is 2.1 meters wide. So you put a desk there, have a chair, be working, and then you can come down here, put a desk there, have a chair and be working and have heaps of room in between. Alternatively, you can have a desk here facing the wall, a desk here facing the wall, another desk here facing the wall, and easily fit 3 people in. And if you're working together, able to communicate. The aircon as well, roof mounted. It's a Gree aircon, so well-known brand. This is probably the biggest manufacturer of aircons in the world. They manufacture a lot of different brands for them, including stuff like people like Samsung, okay? Aircon keeps it super cool. Insulated panels keeps it super cool as well. So you're cool, you're comfortable, everything's convenient. You've got your sink if you need to wash something up. Put your cup of tea there, put your kettle there. If you want to put a double bed in rough numbers, your double bed's going to come to about here, so you can squeeze past it. So if you really wanted to sleep in here, you could literally have a double bed down here, and then maybe a chair or a table up here if you wanted to. If you wanted to use it as an excess room, rather than spending massive monies, like to even get this much space in a caravan would be difficult for under 100 grand, because they have to be very long because they've got so much jammed inside. Anyway, if you're interested in this, all the details are below. Pricing is below. If you want to do finance, we can generally help you out with finance. It's just a matter of having a conversation, and we get it organised for you. It doesn't matter where you are, we can get it delivered to you. You can call us on our 1300 number, drop us an email, or fill in the form at the link below. We'll go through and we'll work out, call it the King Kong office, call it the King Kong mobile room, call it the King Kong mobile office, call it whatever you want. Point is, it's heaps of space and very versatile. Mobile salon, this is you. Any type of mobile business, this is you. Imagine you got a mobile, you want to do mobile tattoos. Put a couple of desks in, put your gear in here, and get moving. You're a barber, you want to go do stuff at I don't know, you want to go to a festival or something and be a barber at the festival. Put your couple of chairs in here, just screw them to the floor, and away you go. Got all your PowerPoints already. Anyway, details are below. If you want to make contact, have a chat to you, and happy to work you out. Well priced, very popular item, the King Kong mobile room or the King Kong mobile office, whatever you want to call it.